Hello guys, in this video we are gonna review and taste the Sting Classic Kick. It is a new flavor recently launched. The MRP of this drink is 20 rupees. For sweeteners, it contains sucralose and a sulfame potassium. It contains 72 milligrams of caffeine and taurine and vitamin B6 and B3. Let's try it. Taste is really good. It is just like Monster Green or Red Bull. It has bubblegum flavor.